The Breville Die-Cast 2-Slice Smart Toaster. 2-slice toaster with innovative one-touch automation for perfect toasted goodness every time you switch it on. As your artisanal bread, bagel, or pastry lowers gently into one of the two extra wide slots, you'll know toasting perfection is in the works. Real-world feedback led us to develop innovative a bit more and lift and look features that set us apart. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The Breville 2-Slice Smart Toaster is a compact toaster that lets you feel in control. One-touch automation lets you monitor your toast's progress using lift and look and add extra time using a bit more to toast your favorite bread types to perfection. Number 2. Innovative features. Lift and look and a bit more allows you to check on your toast or add a little extra time without interrupting the toasting cycle. The bagel function ensures even heat for even toasting and unfreeze your favorites using defrost. Number 3. 2-slice capacity. The toaster features a 2-slice capacity and has wider slots to meet the demands of larger artisanal bread, thick bagels, and dense pastries. Number 4. Variable browning control. The Breville Smart Toaster 2-Slice lets you toast to your ideal brownness level and monitor your progress with the LED indicator so you know how much longer the toasting cycle has left to run. Number 5. Automatic control with auto lift and look. At the touch of a button, your bread can be automatically lowered into the toaster, lifted during the toasting cycle to monitor progress, and lifted at the end to deliver toasting perfection. Number 6. Easy cleaning. No need to lift when cleaning. Simply pull out the front crumb tray and empty it into the dustbin. Number 7. Settings. 5 settings including a bit more. Lift and look, defrost, bagel, and fruit bread. Number 8. Warranty. 1-year limited product warranty, power, 900 watts, voltage, 110 to 120 volts, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.